I love the taste of Mongolian beef. Sweet, gingery, garlicky. I'm going to add broccoli for color and make it with noodles. Let's cook. So we have about 6 ounces of sirloin steak that'll be cut into thin slices. And coat that well in cornstarch in a baggie. And let that sit for a while so the cornstarch clings to the meat. We're going to use packaged udon noodles without the spices that are included in the package. It's a nice serving size for one. Get the water boiling and let the noodles cook for the recommended 5 minutes. Test for doneness if you wish. While that's cooking, let's cut up about half a cup of broccoli into small pieces. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. And add the broccoli to the noodles at the 2-minute mark so it cooks. While that finishes cooking, let's mince some fresh ginger, about a 1/4 cup. I like the taste of ginger, so more is better. And 2 cloves of fresh garlic. We're going to get the other ingredients ready. A 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of beef broth, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and some sesame oil for frying. Now, let's set the noodles and broccoli aside. Add some sesame oil into the pan. Add the ginger. And the garlic. And the red pepper flakes, and saute to bring out the flavor of the ginger and the garlic. Now, turn up the heat a bit and add the beef. Sprinkle some sesame oil on top and stir well so all sides are fried evenly. About 2 minutes. Add a quarter cup of soy sauce, add a half cup of beef broth, and a quarter cup of brown sugar. Stir well and simmer for 2 minutes. Cut up some green onion, and add the green onion. Add back the noodles. Get them well coated with the garlic and ginger sauce. And serve. Enjoy. And there you have it. A little taste of Mongolia.